Hello everyone. Today we have with us the OnePlus 9 RT and we are going to unbox it and check out what do we get inside of the box. So right over here, as you can see, it is a 5G supported phone, and now without any further ado, let's unbox it. There you go. So firstly, you can see we have the device itself, and let me tell you, towards the back side it has got a beautiful matte finish. It comes in an all black color, and towards the back side we've got a triple camera setup with the dual flash right over here. We've also got the OnePlus branding, and towards the side we've got this profile button right over here, so you can switch to silent or general with a switch of a button right over here. And also we've got a power key over here. As we flip it, we've got the volume rockers and a clean finish overall. On the bottom side, as you can see, we've got a speaker grill, a Type-C port, a microphone port, and also a SIM ejector tray. And as we move towards the front side, we get to see a punch hole camera for the front setup and also the speaker grill right over here. That's pretty much about the physical overview. Now let's check out the box contents as well. So here we have a package by OnePlus, inside of which we have a few documents. Let me quickly take them out and see what they're about. So firstly, we get to see the quick start guide that we have right over here. You can go through it and see how to use your smartphone. Then we've also got the SIM ejector tool right over here. And then there's a small quiz that we get to see by OnePlus. Up next, we also get to see a Red Cable Club membership card. Then we also get to see a few stickers by the company. And lastly, we've got the safety information guide. Let's check out what else do we get inside the box. So as you can see, we've got a case as well inside of the box, so you can snap it onto your device and start using it immediately. And then we've also got this USB cable in the red OnePlus theme over here. We've got the USB Type-C cable. Moving forward, we've also got a nice power brick which supports warp charge of 65 watt. And this power brick is included right into the box itself. That's all, folks. These are all the things that you are going to find out inside the box of the OnePlus 9 RT. Thank you so much for watching the video.